Morocco, 68 million years ago. Marine vertebrate fossils and a small number of terrestrial reptilian fossils have been found here, meaning that the coast here was rocky and arid, resembling the mountainous coasts of modern Yemen and Oman. Barbaridactylus, a piscivorous pterosaur. The humerus of Barbaridactylus features a prominent and semi-rectangular deltopectoral crest, which imparts a distinctive hatchet-like appearance to the bone. Compared to other nyctosaurids, Barbaridactylus exhibits a deltopectoral crest that is less distorted and possesses a broader base. This species boasted a wingspan of approximately 16.5 feet. The Barbaridactylus species exhibited sexual dimorphism, characterized by males having prominent head crests. Although the skull of Barbaridactylus is represented solely by a partial mandible, the remaining fossils of this pterosaur include the femur, radius, ulna, and humerus. In this depiction, the males are illustrated with a substantial, pronged, sail-like crest. Barbaridactylus fossils have been found in the Ouled Abdoun Basin in Morocco. Barbaridactylus derives its name from the Barbary coast located in North Africa, combined with the Greek term dactylus, which translates to finger. The specific epithet, grandis, is Latin for great. The majority of pterosaur tracks exhibit a quadrupedal gait, and most found tracks are associated with specific clades, excluding Barbaridactylus and Nyctosaurus. A smaller number of tracks display a bipedal form. It is inferred that Barbaridactylus and Nyctosaurus were bipedal due to the elongated nature of their foot bones. These Barbaridactylus males are congregating in a single location for a specific purpose, a mating ceremony. Similar to certain bird species, it could be thought that Barbaridactylus gathered in colonies to mate and rear their offspring. Now the gentlemen just wait for the females to arrive. However, these male Barbaridactylus are not the only ones waiting for an opportunity here. Chenanisaurus, carnivorous theropod. Chenanisaurus has been classified within the Abelissauridae family, positioned at a basal level outside the Carnotaurinae subfamily. While it shares certain jaw morphology characteristics with Carnotaurine abelissaurids, it is possible that Chenanisaurus is part of an as yet unidentified group of abelissaurids that is exclusive to Africa. Further research is necessary to clarify the true relationships of this species. Chenanisaurus fossils have been found in the Ouled Abdoun Basin in Morocco. Chenanisaurus derives its name from the seedy Chenane mines, the site of its discovery, while its specific designation, Barbaricus, translates to barbaric, alluding to the Barbary region. The discovery of this species was unexpected, as the geological formations that yielded the jaw were marine in nature and predominantly associated with marine reptiles. Chenanisaurus was a large, carnivorous dinosaur from the abelisaurid family, likely preying on sizable animals. Its short, robust lower jaw suggests a strong bite force, enabling it to hunt larger dinosaurs. This Chenanisaurus is poised for the ideal moment to launch an attack on a Barbaridactylus mid-flight. However, it lacks the reflex speed necessary to outpace these Barbaridactyluses, so it must wait for a perfect opportunity. However, waiting can take a lot longer than expected, especially to an impatient dinosaur. Fortune smiles upon the Chenanisaurus, as its keen eyesight has detected something noteworthy. A dead Barbaridactylus. In this desolate coastal region, the Chenanisaurus encountered a deceased pterosaur with its wings folded. Recognizing it as a readily available source of nourishment, it circled the remains, absorbing the odor of decomposition. With a rapid movement, the dinosaur pounced, consuming its fill. Fortunately, the Chenanisaurus has satisfied its hunger and will refrain from pursuing another Barbaridactylus.